Hello guys, welcome to the Sunday vlog. So karon mga to taog. Asa na mga to mami? Mount Pabor. So we going to Mount Pabor just to do the Sunday walk. Okay, so let's go. Okay, get on it. Welcome to Mount Pabor. Mount Pabor. Pabor. Mount Pabor. Pabor. Mount Pabor. Parkinganan. Why parkinganan? So magpaabot ta. Okay guys, change plan. Kung may maparkingan doon, lipat tayo ng iba. So punta raw tayo ng, we try to go to this Henderson Bridge. Yun, makikita mo na ang Henderson Bridge. Pupunta tayo dyan sa taas. Ayan. Do you see the bridge? Pupuntahan natin ngayon yan. That is the Henderson Bridge. We are now in Henderson Bridge. So meron sila nag-clean up dyan, no? Yan, dadaan namin. May white lady dadaan. Ayan. Wow. So guys, we are here in Henderson Hills. Now we are trekking to the 950 meters. Come JC, come. Woo! Welcome to Henderson Park. Matuto sa Henderson Bridge. Ito na.
not spider, not
Oh.
spider. I don't know what it is.
Seems like worm.
Maybe
Same as
this side.
spider.
No, not spider. Okay, I'm sure. I got the something like
Same like an insect.
yeah, something inside. We don't know what's the correct name.
Oh. Oh.
I like it.
Same like crickets.
Yeah.
Okay.
Love, this one also can take about the black color.
Okay, see you.
Okay, see you.
Alright. Yes, we are in the beach now. Wow. Wow. Nice, no? Go, go, run. Slowly. Slowly. Go, mommy. Go to mommy. Go, mommy. So welcome to Henderson Beach. Wade Beach. Discover the southern. Yeah, but this is Henderson Bay Bridge. This is the Henderson Beach. Alexandra Arc. So we are here now. Henderson Beach. Diretso ka dito. This Henderson Beach is 36 meters above ground. This is the highest pedestrian beach in Singapore. It's unveiled during 2008. This bridge is made by steel arches. Bridge means the unusual shape of wave, curve, and twist along the entire 274-meter length. Ideal place for the family bonding, di ba? Breathtaking view from the top. You can see the city. You can see the forest. So, wala ka nang hanap. Allow me to have hidden prison and shaped like eaches, where the pedestrian can see. Observe there's one. Because the bridge there's a privacy and room to rest. The bridge is popular spot during weekend. Thanks. So guys, that's it for today's vlog. Till next time, see you in the next vlog. Bye. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and click the bell button below for notification. Thanks for watching my vlog and see you to the next vlog. Bye!